Alright, let's look at the homework 16, problem number 3, part A. Alright, so we want to evaluate this integral along this curve y equals 2x squared, starting from the origin up to 1, 2. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first thing we would do is, let's see, we want to find dy. Right, so we take the derivative of both sides, right? Oh, actually, how about I'm gonna do it here, right? So I'm gonna take the derivative with respect to x, right? So you have a dy over dx, which gives you 4x, right? And so by multiply both sides by dx, we get dy is equal to 4x dx. Alright, so let's rewrite this integral. So I'm gonna go down here. Right. Alright, so this is equal to integral. Alright, so x squared is already written in x, so I will keep that. Alright, minus y squared, I'm going to rewrite it in terms of x. So y is 2x squared, so it's going to be minus, right? So 2x squared squared, so that's going to be 4x to the 4th power. Right, so that's y squared. And dx, so this is going to be times dx, and also you have 2x times y, so it's going to be a negative 2x times 2x squared, so it's going to be negative 4 because 2 times 2, and x times x squared, so x cubed, right? Then you have dy, but the dy is same thing as 4x dx. Alright, so there's no point of writing dx twice. So here dx here and dx there. So I'm gonna just pull that out. So I have an integral. Right, so we're gonna have a dx here. Just write it once. Right, then what's left is going to be, right, here you have x squared and minus 4x to the 4th power. Right here you have a minus, right? So you have a 4 times 4 is 16, right? X to the 4th power. Right? Actually, I should have combined it. I'm going to go ahead and combine it. So this is negative 4 and negative 16. So that will be 20. Right? So I'll just erase 4. Right? And I'm going to put minus 20. Right? Then we don't need this. Right? Then I'll just move this guy over. Right, so that's that, and so this is only in terms of x, and you can see that x only goes from, so x goes from 0 to 1. Right, so we can put 0 to 1. So this is going to be equal to x to the x cubed, right, over 3. Minus 20, right, x to the 5th power over 5, right, then you are going from 0 to 1, right, so I can cancel, let's see, this is going to be 5, cancel 20, so it's going to be 4, right, so let's evaluate, plug in the top number first. 1 cubed over 3 is 1/3 minus 4 times 1 to the 5th, right, minus right? Plug in 0, so of course 0, minus of course 0, right? So that's going to be negative. Right, 4 is same as 12 over 3, so it's going to be negative 11 over 3, right? So that's the value of the integral, right? If you go along this path, this is a parabola, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.